Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Fandango. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fandango.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Fandango website. Now if you wish to sign up and create a new account, simply click on the sign up/join button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the sign up page. In order to continue with signing up, simply go ahead and type in your first name followed by your email address. Then go ahead and type in your desired password and then click on the join now for free button. This will now automatically sign you up to your new account. However, you might still need to verify your account by visiting your inbox and clicking on the link within. So just go ahead and check the inbox of the account that you just used to sign up and create your Fandango account, and you will find a link which you can click on to complete your account verification process. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Fandango. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.